Hey everybody, welcome back. Let me consult the notebook so we can get a read on what's new. Nothing really new since the last episode, but we have things that we need to get done.
I should go see what Grandma is up to.
Okay.
Oh, good morning.
Hi, Kathy.
What, morning?
You have such a lovely friend, dear.
Oh, I have no doubt.
You sleep even longer here than you do back home.
Oh, gee, must be the blissful lack of distractions here, E. Can I talk to you for a sec?
Okie dokie. If your grandmother doesn't mind being left.
Sure. You go ahead, children.
Is the concept of personal boundaries new to you?
That's a retort.
Was a single morning devoid of Eileen too much to ask?
I was super bored. Besides,
Well, as
you could be a
very funny.
Fine. I won't.
Ugh,
I'm so glad you asked. I looked up a few statistics for this county, looking for any anomalies. First off, there's a high number of missing persons reports. That wouldn't be too unusual if, let's say, the county had a high crime rate, but it doesn't. Violent crimes are actually lower.
Huh.
It gets even better. It turns out that this county has the highest number of clinically insane in the state. And guess what? Conwell Springs County is tiny. Per capita, the difference to the county in second place is humongous. Over 1,000%.
That makes some sense. I found out that this cocky person is Loctite at Ingstrom's.
Wow, we should go talk to him, right?
That's the plan. I should probably fill you in on the rest I found. So, I'm gonna head over there today and confront Isaac about the paintings.
Don't you think it's a bit risky, Kathy? It could just backfire and piss him off.
Oh, I'm hoping it will. Nothing wrong with some good old provocation to make people show their true colors.
You never gave him the picture of the...
Nah, I didn't want the guy to faint. He sounded pretty brain...
And none of the...
I guess not.
My point is that you grilled the priest good yesterday. You already tried... I'm a fellow Christian. Maybe I could try something different. If he still won't trust me, I can show him my copy of the picture.
I suppose it would give me enough time to drive back to the city and...
Yay! Oh, let's do it!
You know that's the...
Oh, I'm sure, Jesus.
I'm not gonna waste any time.
Okie dokie.
I'm sure she'll be safe.
Hello, Jimmy. I've been looking for you.
Oh, is it for real this time?
Yes, this is all very real.
So you're going to ask me about Joseph now?
How do you know that?
You did.
You're not making any sense, Jimmy.
I'm making perfect sense. Everyone says so. All bets are off now and forget all the rules. No going from top to bottom. No checking off all the items on your list. Start by asking me about the young chronicler.
Was Lily Myers the chronicler?
The drowned girl, yes. She saw the loops, the endless possibilities. She found that the branches had all been severed. Nothing but inevitability remained, staring her right in the eye. In the end, she was pulled across the great threshold, just like I was. I was next.
Next for what?
You're not listening. I'm next.
Do you know what happened to my grandfather in 81?
No, that's not me.
What happened to you, Jimmy?
I'm not. I'm 6 feet under, looking up, watching reruns without a care in the world. You know, Joseph was a beacon. His passing sent ripples traveling in all directions, touching all of us with burning intensity. In my case, resulting in immobilizing guilt. After all, I sent him out there. It was all my fault.
What was? What did you ask him to do?
Be patient. We'll get there. Let's continue. Ironically, with the men who break the rules.
You mean the Black Hats?
Indeed. Your father broke every rule in the book, did he not?
That's a mild way of putting it.
I feel your pain. But you will be free of him soon enough. I've seen you atop a great pit, dropping the last remaining memento of him into the empty blackness below. Your mother, on the other hand, That's a story with a different ending.
You know Mom?
Why don't you see her yourself and find out?
It's complicated.
Looking away won't make it any less ugly, Kathy.
I know, just...
Very well. Let's go see the man you reunited with his family.
The man in red?
Yes.
Who is he, really?
The collector of souls. The one who beckons and prepares. Some call him a spirit guide. Others, a devil dressed in red. You are doing so much better than the last time. Now, ask me about the first thing you can think of.
What happened to my grandfather in 81?
Oh, poor Joseph. Wrong place, wrong time, wrong friends, wrong life. An unstoppable force meeting an immovable object. There had to be course correction, Kathy. The house always wins.
What did you ask him to do?
I asked him to find the source and destroy it. For me, for Lily, for all of us.
The source of what?
Everything. The madness, the betrayals, the limitless suffering.
How would he do that?
I don't know. Joseph had a plan. He had allies.
Allies?
The man in red. Someone else, too.
I found the message you left for Grandpa. You said, it happened to you too.
Meeting the lights, of course. Don't you have my picture from the night in the forest?
You mean this?
Oh, yes. They felt so warm, so comfortable. But when they got close, I could feel my mind split in two. I found myself with one foot on either side of the line. The thin line between hell and here. It felt like breathing through my nose with my mouth underwater. No wonder some sink beneath the surface.
Was that what happened to Joseph, Jimmy?
I wish I knew. I'm just a man stuck with his ear up against the wall, picking up a word here and there. I am so tired, Kathy. I can feel the lights even now. Endless static in my head, like a TV tuned to a dead channel.
But what are they?
The cradle of obscurity. The alpha to our omega. The distorted mirror.
Why are you constantly speaking in riddles?
Why do you assume I have a choice? We are nearing the end. Ask me about the misguided faithful.
Is the Church of the Holy Trinity the misguided faithful?
They are, yes.
What makes you call them that?
Isn't it obvious? They believe the lights are divine. The lights are night. They are but a twisted reflection of our, the judge and the jury. Everything we long for and desire. It's more than most of us can take.
How do I stop them?
You must go to their birthplace, their source. You must go to the cradle. It's the only way to save your friend.
What? Are you talking about Eileen?
Yes, she is being claimed. She's in great danger. You have to go back, Kathy.
I need more than that, Jimmy. I need to find Eileen.
Well, she ain't here. She ain't gonna be in there either.
Oh. Mind if we talk?
Not a...
Grandma, have you seen Eileen since this morning?
I'm afraid...
Hopefully nothing.
I see.
See you later.
Take care.
I'm gonna go to the, I need to go to the cemetery, I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna take a look around a couple places first. I want to see if Nathan is back yet. And I want to go back to the woods and see if the red man's back there. Seagull's gone.
Anybody home? Guess not. Locked. It doesn't belong to... That combination.
It was worth a shot. I don't have anything to use, though, to pick the lock, and I don't... There's no reason to do it yet. But it is interesting that she pointed it out. Can't go back to the clinic. Okay, so he's not here. Neither of them are here. Just a guess, but the mausoleum... I mean, she's not at the church, then the mausoleum, maybe.
It says... no reason.
No? Huh. Alright, I may be one click ahead, as opposed to 2 clicks ahead. I need to, at least do one more thing probably before I can go to the mausoleum. Just a guess. Oh, okay.
Just old furniture. Isaac's desk. Found a large...
Hey, what are you...
Cut the bullcrap! Where is she? Where's Eileen?
What in the Lord's name?
Red-haired girl, I know she came here to see you.
I don't think that's quite necessary.
Breaking and entering.
You don't understand. My friend has been kidnapped.
Funny story.
Ugh, you gotta be kidding me.
You better hope that Father...
I want my phone call.
Can't...
You are such a fucking prick.
Enjoy your little vacation.
Well, this blows. And I smell like goober. Fan-fucking-tastic. I need to get out of here. Who knows what that freak is doing to Eileen right now? Solid steel. Okay, now. I don't see how...
Sounds like the beginning of Thriller.
A bunch of Can't reach it. Oops. These people...
Yeah.
Not a bad idea.
Oh, come on.
Okay. Not perfect, but...
Not really how locks work, but okay.
Rest in...
How are you gonna get out of here?
I'm not leaving with...
That's true, she doesn't have...
I have better things. Just a bunch... Too heavy to carry. Okay, got all my things. Huh?
Hopes in jar. An inkier heart. Rule me, Nemesis.
What the hell? That was...
Sounded like maybe an anagram.
Good thing the bike was still... It's old and rusty. This thing looked...
Okay. So we're going to the mausoleum then. I was, in fact, one click ahead. Bad stuff's about to go down.
I did what you asked, Father. But something is different. It's not taking like it should. Yes, we'll just... More souls dead. Yes, they all... Hey, what's that?
Eat this! Eileen? Snap out of it! No, God, it's happened. What did... Let's get these ropes. He's knocked out. He had a key on it. Isaac Jeremiah Price. The death date is Arthur Price. Joshua David Price. Isaac's Barbara Price. William Father Bill. Agatha Price. Henrietta Father Ernest Ed. Wake up! Wake up! She's catatonic. He's knocked. You won't get a... That should do it. I better go get help.
All right. Should we bring...
Eileen, and no, I'll take care of her, please.
All right, then, but don't think you're... Considering the circumstances, I'm gonna refrain from hauling your ass back. You better not leave town until we've sorted all this out.
That's more than fair, Sheriff.
Good. Come by the station when you...
I will. It's my fault.
No, it's not. You know exactly who's to blame. That vile man behind bars or whoever is pulling his strings. Go there. Find out what he knows. It's too late for Joseph.
Well, I'm sure as hell not gonna wait here for her to rot away.
Good.
All right, then.
Hey, you're back.
I am.
Yeah, the sheriff.
All right. Let's talk. And that's when I found that creep with her.
Jesus. I had my suspicions about that church, but I never thought it went this deep.
Yeah.
I'll call the judge and get a warrant.
Okay. Can I?
Go ahead. Ask Lenny.
Will do.
Think no.
And so now he's finally nice.
Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Cap.
They already arrested. Well.
See?
He's where...
Hello again, my child.
I hope you enjoy that cell as much as I did.
For a man of faith, this is a room fit. Speak what you will.
Did you have something to do with what happened to my grandfather?
Alas, I did not. At the time, I wasn't enlightened.
But Grandpa showed the same...
Then he was claimed by God.
What do you really know about Lily Myers?
Oh, the drowned girl is a conundrum. In life, in death, ascend.
Why did you have Lily Meyer's painting stolen?
Because Charles Wade isn't a man keen on sharing.
Fine. Let me put it this way.
Lily was special in God's eyes. As an emissary of God, it was my duty to unlock the...
What is your church really about, Isaac?
the same as any other church.
By any means necessary?
A necessary evil. I look at the bigger...
You are quite obviously brainwashed.
You can try,
Who is the man dressed in red?
No one that concerns the...
Wait, so you...
Certainly. With that knowledge...
Tell me what you did to my friend, Isaac.
I offered her to God. And the Lord... She is part of...
You're not talking about...
Of course not. I'm talking about the old God. Slumbering in the darkness
So we get into some Cthulhu
What are you
stuff.
saying?
She is but one of many. I guided them all to the stairs of judgment.
Wait, so you were responsible for
All I did was, if they chose to reject him...
I don't need to... I don't need... You know some...
Oh, yes. A link to the divine. They help by preparing the body for unity with...
So,
Such a crude choice of words.
what do you see?
The sign of God.
Conduit of...
Oh.
I don't need to... I could, but I'd rather not tip... I don't need to... I don't need... I don't need... I don't need to... I'd love nothing. I don't need...
Okay, fair enough.
I'm done.
Good.
No what? That was... Nothing else.
Oh, darn.
Too heavy to carry. I'll need a key. This must open... A small key with... Maybe there's a... It looks a lot like the key I found... I have...
Speak.
I don't need to...
Okay.
I'm done.
Good.
Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Cat.
Well,
See you.
Dang it.
Hey, Lenny.
Hello.
Nah. Well,
Bah, I don't want to ask him about that.
hello, Chef. I don't need to... Do you know...
What the hell you...
Never mind. They already arrested... I don't need... I probably... That's all.
Good.
Oh, now he's back to being a jerk? Well, there are a couple things I could do. I'm gonna go to the cabin first. I'm gonna be doing a little breaking and entering here. Simple enough.
Yet another bear... Very... A ball? Is this how... That must be Lily. It's an early... Looks like the... Elk by the...
Whatever I need to do here, it's not yet, but I bet it involves that painting. Oh no, wait a minute, wait. Wait. The dream.
That action doesn't...
No, alright, never mind. But the dream did involve that. Burning the painting. It's possible that there's something inside that painting. I don't know. Although that's supposed to be one of her early paintings, so maybe not. Anything going on here? Nope. She may have to look in the phone book for a storage facility.
Any change?
Sadly.
There are a
Very
I don't see a... I don't need to... Okay.
good luck.
Okay, I am gonna have to check the phone book then.
Okay, there's a place in town.
Got it. I don't know why they don't just, like, remove the ones we can't go to anymore.
Storage.
Here we go. All the paintings.
Where is it? A bottle... This might come... I don't believe that. He must have used that paint. That means there's only a...
Okay. Let's try it on the other doors.
Doesn't fit.
No.
Doesn't- Aha!
Interesting that they shared the same building.
Nothing useful. Just some old new... Empty. Found a tape in there. There's also a custody appeal form. For me? I don't believe it. He tried to get me back from my mom. So that's where Grandpa's old uniform went. Standard microtape labeled
This is Joseph Rain. Operation Log, Part 4. August 8th, 1980. The area appears to be circular. Along the outer perimeter. I've determined that some kind of endothermic reaction is taking place. So it's important to be observant of changes in temperature. Find the source. By severing the link, perhaps I can save them. Reoccurring dream. I'm standing in front of a huge black hole. In a there's a man dressed in red. I'm afraid to, but I take the plunge anyway. As I'm falling, I reach for the parachute cord.
Okay. We're not going to be friends with this woman for much longer. She's going to storm into this house. Oh, she can't storm into her own house, but she's going to come into this house while we're doing this. I guarantee you. That's how this game has gone for the most part.
I'll just borrow.
Bonk.
Sorry, Sue. A hidden picture. Oh my god, that's Nathan. He's holding a girl underwater.
Oh,
Wait, that
dear.
doesn't make any sense. Lily wrote a suicide note, so either she planned this or saw it. Nathan is drowning.
Okay, let's see what happens when she tries to leave. Oh. Yeah, I figured.
Nathan,
Yes?
I know about Lily, Nathan.
I like Lily.
Nathan, tell me what happened the day Lily died.
I don't know.
It's okay, Nathan. I'm a friend. I know the Red Man, too.
You do?
Yes. He told me to ask you about what happened to Lily. He said that you would tell me the truth. Because you are honest. You're honest, aren't you, Nathan?
Lily was angry that time. Angry and sad. Mostly angry.
Angry with you?
Angry with everybody. Mama was asleep, Papa too.
Okay, what?
Lily wanted to go down to the lake. She told me to hold her under the water for a while. She said I had to. She had painted it, and everything she painted was supposed to happen. I didn't want to, but Lily said she would tell Mama that I was bad if I didn't. But the Red Man says it was an accident, and that Lily is in a better place.
It's okay, Nathan. Lily was sick. It's not anyone's fault. When did you first meet the Red Man?
I don't know. I see him in the woods sometimes. He and Lily always fought.
They did.
He wanted Lily to take her medicine.
What kind of medicine? Pills to make her less sad and angry?
I don't know. Just medicine. But you know what? It's okay. I still talk to her all the time.
You talk to Lily?
Yes?
Take me to her, Nathan.
You promise not to?
I won't. I promise.
Okay.
We're going to that forest again. Time to talk to a ghost.
See?
Get away from them.
Look!
Maybe they can't affect him.
Poor little Mender met her end. Witnessed so much she could not comprehend. Claimed by the lake, she screamed to her god, struggled for air as she twisted and clawed. But all was in vain, and her cries went unheard. 'Twas a heartbreaking theater of the absurd. There, you're being dramatic. No pain, no gain. At least that color looks good on you. Astute observation, Bill. This room does hold the key. Well then.
Jesus. Nathan? How long was I...
We'll find out what happens on the next episode of Kathy Rain. Grab a snack and we'll be right back.